Hey, Atlanta. If you've ever felt the frustration of finding good, reliable lawn care, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down 5 simple ways you can book a pro mower without all the usual headaches. Let's jump right in. Does this feel a little too familiar? You just need your lawn mowed, but finding somebody dependable feels like, I don't know, a full-time job? Well, guess what? You are definitely not alone. Check out this quote from Nancy Derby, right here in Atlanta. She says, "Something about lawn care services in the Atlanta area and unreliability go hand in hand." And that just nails it, doesn't it? It feels like getting ghosted has moved from dating apps to your front yard. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Seriously. There are some really smart, modern solutions that fix these exact problems. We've pinpointed 5 key ways that can make booking lawn care in Atlanta super simple, totally reliable, and honestly, stress-free. Okay, first up, let's talk about the price. The old way was just awful. You'd call a bunch of different companies, leave voicemails, and wait days for a quote. The new way, it gets the pros to compete for your business, and you see the results in minutes. The whole process is incredibly easy. Instead of you chasing them down, the pros come to you. You just pop in your address one time, and then a bunch of pre-screened local services send you their bids. You get to see all the prices right there in one place, so you can pick the one that works for your budget. It completely cuts out all the phone tag and all that hassle. But does all that competition actually save you cash? Well, according to John Harrison from Atlanta, absolutely. He found that not only was it way more convenient, but it was actually cheaper than the guy he was using before. And that's the power of having pros compete for your business. So you've got a great price. Awesome. But here's the million-dollar question. Is the pro actually any good? This brings us to our second way, using real, hard data to check out their quality before you ever hire them. So, what are we looking at here? 1,179. Now, this isn't just some random number I pulled out of a hat. This is the number of times a single top-rated professional on a platform like GreenPal has been hired and reviewed. This isn't just a promise of quality, it's a proven track record. And this is what I mean by transparency. It's key. You can see exactly how many jobs a company has done right next to their average customer rating. So you can make a decision based on their actual performance, not just some vague promises they made on a website. Okay, let's move on to our third way to ditch the hassle, and it's a big one: scheduling. So many services want to lock you into some rigid season-long contract. But, your life changes, your lawn's needs change, your service should be able to change with you. Just look at the difference here. The old way, you're locked in. You're trapped in an annual contract with very few options. But what if you just need a one-time mow because your mower broke? Or maybe your lawn grows fast and you need it cut every 10 days. A modern platform puts you in control, letting you set a schedule that actually works for you. And you know what's really cool? This flexibility is a win-win. As you can see from this quote from a lawn care pro, when the system handles all the boring admin stuff, they can just focus on what they do best, making your lawn look great. And that efficiency means they can offer you more flexible options. It's just a better experience for everybody. All right, on to number 4. Let's talk about money. You know the awkwardness of leaving cash under the mat, or that worry that you're paying for a job that wasn't even done right? We can get rid of all of that. This quote from Nancy highlights a feature that is a total game changer: photo confirmation. It's so simple. After every single mow, the pro sends you a picture of the finished job. This means you can see with your own eyes that the work is done right before a single dollar leaves your account. So it all adds up to a payment process you can actually feel good about. You get photo proof, you use secure cashless payments, and it all happens after you've approved the work. The whole system is just way more transparent, and you can say goodbye to those awkward cash handoffs for good. And for our 5th and final way, it's all about getting your time back. Seriously, how many hours have you wasted calling around, leaving messages, just hoping someone, anyone, will call you back? I think this experience from Louise Dahl is something a lot of us can relate to. That endless cycle of scrolling Craigslist, calling numbers, getting no answer. It's so frustrating. It shows you that sometimes just getting in touch with someone is the biggest hurdle of all. And this is the solution to that endless phone tag: the ability to find, check out, and book a professional service right from your phone or computer. It turns a search that used to take hours into something you can get done in just a few minutes. Okay, so let's bring it all home. What we've just walked through isn't just a list of features. It's a blueprint for a completely different and way, way better way to manage your lawn care. So here they are again, the 5 keys to a perfect lawn without the headache. You get competitive prices, you verify their quality with real data, you schedule on your terms, you pay securely with photo proof, and you book it all online in minutes. When you put those 5 things together, the pricing, the quality checks, the flexibility, the secure payments, and the instant booking, what you get is, hands down, the smartest and simplest way to manage your lawn care here in Atlanta. So if you are ready to trade all that frustration for a beautifully maintained lawn, the solution is just a click away. Head over to yourgreenpal.com to get your free, no-obligation quotes and see just how easy this can be. That's it for this explainer. We'll see you next time.